Many videos on YouTube are showing how to pair a remote control for your Roku TV by pressing the pairing button. But what if your remote control does not have any pairing button, like this one here? Well, it's simple. These remote controls are infrared, okay? They send the signal from here. There are different sorts of remote control for the Roku TVs. Some are infrared like this one, and some are Wi-Fi. If you have a Roku TV like mine, this is an Insignia, but TCL makes them too, Hisense, etc. The remote control that comes with your TV is infrared. And if you want to get another one, a newer one, well, it should have the infrared blaster right on front here. You can see it. If it doesn't have this infrared blaster, it will not work because the TV is receiving the infrared signal right over there. So the only way to pair this remote control is simply by putting the batteries, and any infrared Roku remote control should work right away. You don't need to pair it. You don't need to go in any menu and select anything. It should work right out of the box. If you have a Roku TV, a Roku stick that you plug in the HDMI port in the back of your TV, then you'll need a Wi-Fi remote, okay? The one with the pairing button. This won't work on it. This only works on Roku TVs with an infrared receptor, like this one, receiver, sorry. So this is it. If you want to pair your Roku TV remote control that doesn't have a pair button, it's simple. Just put batteries in it and it should work right away on a Roku TV that is working with an infrared remote control. So make sure you have the right remote control, because sometimes people are buying a Wi-Fi remote control for their Roku TV and it doesn't work, obviously, because this doesn't work with the Wi-Fi remote. It only works with this IR infrared remote control. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give a like if this video was helpful.